How to change currency on Skyscanner. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. So in today's guide video I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually change your currency on Skyscanner, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to change your currency on the Skyscanner app, all you have to do is first of all just go ahead and launch the Skyscanner app on your device. Then once you launch the Skyscanner app, then you will see this type of interface where you just need to tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Then once you tap the profile icon over here, if you scroll, then you will find the option called settings, which you see right over here. So all you just need to do is just tap on settings, and once you tap on settings, if you look at the very top, you have the option called currency, and currently it is set to NPR, which means Nepalese rupee. So if you'd like to relatively change it, you just need to tap on this currency icon here. Once you tap on currency, it will ask you for a couple of other informations. From here you can just choose any of the currency that you want, whether you want USD or UK or euros or pounds or South Korean won, whatever else you prefer. Just select your desired currency and then just click the save button, and then your currency will be successfully changed on Skyscanner. This is simply how you can change your currency on the Skyscanner app. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.